small SUVs may have a serious problem. This possible 2027 Honda Civic Wagon offers the low, sporty feel of a Civic, the efficiency of a hybrid, and enough cargo space to replace a compact crossover. And somehow, it does all of that without looking like a boring family car. The body is long, wide, and surprisingly aggressive. The cabin feels more premium than expected, and the extended roof gives this Civic a level of practicality the normal hatchback cannot fully match. But the real question is not whether Honda could build it. The real question is whether this could become the most useful Civic ever made. Let's start with the front. The dark metallic teal paint gives the Civic Wagon a rich and sporty appearance. Under bright light, the color moves between deep blue and green, making the smooth body lines stand out. The hood is low and wide, with gentle curves running toward the windshield. It keeps the clean shape of a modern Civic, but the larger front end gives the wagon more road presence. A thin LED light bar stretches across the entire nose. It connects the upper daytime running lights and makes the car appear much wider, especially from a distance. Below it, the main headlights use several sharp lighting elements inside dark housings. The split light design gives the front more depth without covering the bumper with unnecessary details. In the center, Honda uses a wide black grille with thin horizontal sections. The large Honda badge remains easy to see, while the dark finish creates a strong contrast against the teal body. Lower down, a large central opening and two triangular side sections give the bumper a sportier shape. This does not look like a Civic designed only for carrying groceries. It looks like a wagon that still wants to be driven. The silver and black wheels continue that theme. Their curved 5-section design feels more modern than a normal multi-spoke rim, and they are large enough to fill the wheel arches without making the tires look too thin. That balance is important. A family wagon needs to look good, but it also needs enough tire sidewall to remain comfortable on rough roads. From the side, the longer body changes the Civic completely. The roof stays high beyond the rear doors instead of dropping quickly like the Civic hatchback. This creates more space for rear passengers and a much larger cargo area. Even with that extra height, the profile still looks sleek. The windshield is heavily angled, the side windows narrow toward the back, and the black pillars create one continuous glass section. A small roof spoiler completes the shape without making the rear look too heavy. The body sides are clean, with one soft line flowing through the doors and another rising toward the rear wheels. There is no thick black plastic around the wheel arches, and the car does not sit unnecessarily high. That is one of the Civic Wagon's biggest advantages. It could offer SUV-like practicality while keeping a lower center of gravity, a lower seating position, and a more car-like driving feel. Honda has explored this idea before. The company introduced a Civic Tourer concept in 2013 with a low, wide stance, an aerodynamic body, and a focus on combining sleek design with useful cargo space. The 2027 version could bring that idea back with a cleaner and more modern design. At the rear, a full-width red light bar runs beneath the Honda badge. Additional angled light elements sit lower inside the tail lamps, giving the wagon a clear lighting signature without making the tailgate look crowded. The rear window is large and fairly upright, which should improve visibility and create more usable room inside. Below the tailgate, the bumper stays simple. A wide black section stretches across the bottom, while narrow vertical openings sit near each corner. There are no large exhaust tips trying to make the car look more powerful than it is. That clean design makes sense for a hybrid wagon. It also gives the rear a wider and more mature appearance. The tailgate itself appears broad, with a low loading edge. That could make it easier to carry heavy bags, bicycles, pet equipment, or large boxes. And once the rear seats are folded, the Civic Wagon could offer a long and nearly flat cargo floor. The current 2026 Civic hatchback already provides 24.5 cubic feet of cargo room and a 60/40 split folding rear seat. Extending the roof and rear body could give a wagon even more vertical space and a more useful cargo shape. This is where the wagon could beat a small SUV at its own game. It would offer plenty of storage without the extra height, weight, and bulky shape of a crossover. Inside, the cabin keeps the Civic's driver-focused layout, but adds a more premium atmosphere. The dashboard is wide and low, helping the interior feel open. A long digital display combines the instrument panel and infotainment system into one clean section. The navigation screen sits close to the driver's line of sight, while physical climate controls remain underneath. That means basic settings can still be changed without searching through several menus. The center console includes a compact gear selector, 2 cup holders, a storage area, and a large padded armrest. Nothing feels too complicated. The black interior also works well with the exterior. The seats combine smooth material with perforated center sections, creating a sporty look without becoming too aggressive. The front seats have strong side support, but the cushions still appear wide enough for longer journeys. The panoramic glass roof makes the dark cabin feel much more open. It stretches over both seating rows, allowing more light into the interior while giving rear passengers a better view. A production version could also include a power shade to reduce heat during bright days. The rear bench offers 3 headrests, a folding center armrest, and plenty of shoulder space for a compact car. Because the roof does not fall quickly toward the cargo area, rear passengers should also receive better headroom than they would in a coupe-like hatchback. Higher trims could add heated seats, dual-zone climate control, rear air vents, a wireless phone charger, and a Bose sound system. The current Civic Sport Touring Hybrid already offers a 9-inch screen, Google built-in, leather-trimmed seats, wireless phone connectivity, and a 12-speaker Bose audio system. A future wagon could build on that technology rather than starting from zero. Now let's talk about the powertrain. The most realistic choice would be Honda's current 2-motor hybrid system. In the 2026 Civic Hatchback Hybrid, it produces a total of 200 horsepower and sends up to 232 pound-feet of electric motor torque to the front wheels. That should be more than enough for a practical wagon. Electric torque would provide quick response around town, while the gasoline engine could support the car during longer highway drives. The current Civic Hatchback Hybrid is rated at 50 miles per gallon in the city, 45 on the highway, and 48 combined. A longer and slightly heavier wagon might return a little less, but it could still be much more efficient than many compact SUVs. Honda could also create a sportier version. Give it firmer suspension, stronger brakes, larger wheels, sharper steering, and a more aggressive drive mode. It would not need the full 315 horsepower of the Civic Type R. A modest power increase, combined with the hybrid motor's immediate response, could make the wagon fast enough to be entertaining without ruining its comfort or efficiency. An electronic all-wheel drive option would make it even more useful. Honda has not confirmed such a system for the Civic, but a rear electric motor could provide extra traction in rain and snow without requiring a traditional mechanical connection to the rear wheels. The biggest challenge would be positioning. The normal Civic hatchback is already practical. The CR-V already serves buyers who want more height and space. So where would the Civic wagon fit? Right between them. It could be for drivers who need more cargo room than a hatchback, but do not want the size or higher seating position of an SUV. It could also attract buyers who enjoy driving and do not want to give that up when they need a family car. And that is why this idea makes so much sense. Keep the Civic's efficient hybrid system, keep its low driving position and sharp handling. Add a longer roof, a larger cargo area, and enough comfort for long family trips. Then wrap it all in a design that looks sporty rather than purely practical. The result would not just be another Civic body style. It could be one of the smartest family cars Honda has ever made. And if the 2027 Honda Civic Wagon arrived looking like this, some buyers might stop asking which small SUV they should buy. They might start asking whether they need an SUV at all. Subscribe for more future Honda models before they arrive.